Hey all, Wild here, and today we're going to be looking at the Artist Loft Level 1 canvas to see if it's worth paying up for. We're going to dive into what's good about it, what's bad about it, and more importantly, is it worth you paying up for it in this review. Let's go. Real quick before we begin, if this is your first time here and you want to become bigger and better with your creative adventures out there, you know what to do. Hit that big red subscribe button down below and tick that bell so you know when my videos go live for you. And also, if you like any of the products that we mentioned in this video, I'm going to put links down below in the video description so you can click through. By the way, those help my channel, so thank you very much. So diving right into it, what is a level 1 canvas for Micheal's? All level 1 canvases are standard weight cotton duck, archival quality, acid-free titanium acrylic gesso primed. It doesn't say how many coats are on the canvas, but if I had to take a shot in the dark, I would imagine probably only 1 or 2. The wood frame profile is 0.75 inches for use with acrylic and oil paints, and comes stretched on a professional frame constructed with kiln-dried stretched bars. So what's good and what's bad about a level 1 canvas? Well, right off the bat, the first thing you're gonna notice is how smooth it is to the touch, which is great depending on what style of painter you are or what type of painting you want to do. So when you apply paint to this, it's gonna be a lot smoother and spread, giving you more flow, which means you're gonna get a lot more out of your paints. However, if you're a painter that likes to have a lot of toothing because you like a lot of texture, or, that's just what you need for putting, snow on mountains, not gonna be the best for you because it's a lot more smooth. What about some of the other added benefits of a level 1 canvas? Well, let me tell you, it's kind of all there is, to be honest. Not really much more to it, just the smoother texture. So really brings up the question, do I think this is worth paying up for? And the honest answer from me to you is no. I don't see you paying up for this at all, because you can buy a cheaper canvas on Amazon or the super value pack and get the same type of smooth consistency as long as you added something like a little bit more extra layers of gesso. And that's probably gonna save you a lot more money in the long run because gesso's not that expensive and it's really easy to add as many layers as you want to get the smooth consistency that you want. So allow me to be hypocritical. There kind of is one solid recommendation for you to pay up on a level 1 canvas, and that is if you like to paint on a smaller surface. Level 1 canvases come in very small canvas shapes and sizes out there, which can be really awesome depending on, again, what style or approach you want to do for your painting. Likewise, you have the same thing on the flip side. If you want to paint on a gigantic canvas, which I highly recommend because it's super fun, I'm going to put a video up here in the top right corner I recommend checking out. You can paint on a lot of these larger canvases because level 1s come available in those particular sizes. So it gives you a more or less a bigger range to select from, but anything that's in the middle there, nope, not gonna recommend it. Go with that cheaper canvas and apply that gesso because it's gonna save you money. No joke, painting on a gigantic canvas is so much fun, give it a shot. But bro note from me to you, wait till those gigantic canvases go on sale for 50 to 70% off. Boom, you're gonna be happy. Yeah, that's it. That's all a level 1 canvas can actually provide for you. If you plan on painting on something a lot smaller or super smaller, go with a level 1. You want to paint on something super big or just in the bigger range, go with a level 1. Anything in the middle, stick with that super canvas value pack. It's gonna be a lot cheaper, built just as great, and hey, when you put that bottle of gesso on there or coating of gesso, it's just as good. There you go, saved you some money. Now you're probably wondering what's the difference between like a level 1 canvas and a level 2 canvas. And I got you covered on that because that's gonna be one of the next videos I bring out. And when it goes live, I'm gonna put it in the top right corner here, but until then, I recommend checking out the bottom right corner where you can learn all the added benefits about the Super Canvas Value Pack that you can get online, plus some Amazon alternatives that's gonna help you start your painting adventure. And as always, I come in super clutch for you, and all you beautiful people, take care, and of course, peace.